Delhi High Court has upheld the conviction of former Telecom Minister Sukhram and two others in the 1996 telecom case. Meenakshi joining us with more on that. Meenakshi?
Yes, absolutely, Deep. The Delhi High Court has today upheld the conviction of former Union Minister Sukhram and two other accused, including former Deputy Director General in Telecom Runu Ghosh and the other accused, Mr. T. Rama Rao, in a telecom scam dating back to 1996. Now, essentially, what has happened is this, that the court was seized of the matter for a while now. The trial court had convicted Sukhram and the other accused way back in 2002, and thereafter they had challenged the trial court's order in the Delhi High Court, and that point in time the matter was being heard by the Delhi High Court, but thereafter the Delhi High Court had transferred the matter to the division bench of the Delhi High Court. Now, essentially, the charges pertain to certain provisions of the Prevention of Corruption Act have been invoked against Sukhram and other two accused. The primary cause, the primary allegation against Sukhram today, of which he has been convicted, and today the sentence has been upheld by the Delhi High Court, is this, that he conferred wrongful gain to one T. Rama Rao, who was a managing director of Hyderabad-based Advanced Radio Mass, and that in turn resulted into a loss of 1.68 crore rupees to the exchequer. If you'll recall, Sukhram was recently convicted in another case by a trial court in Delhi, wherein he was sentenced to 5 years rigorous imprisonment. But what is also interesting about this particular case is this, that today the Delhi High Court has asked Sukhram and the other co-convicts, Runu Ghosh and T. Rama Rao, to surrender before the lower court on the 5th of January to undergo their sentence. So really difficult days ahead for Sukhram.
Absolutely. Thanks very much for that. That's the latest coming in on that story from our correspondent.